Hi there, I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder and CEO of Traders4Traders. Now, one of the most common questions I get is, how do I start trading? Right? And it's a very good question because you want a clear path to your educational process when you are going to start trading, and most importantly, when you're going to start making some cash. Now, we've set up our program in a specific order to answer those questions. Now, let me just take you through the whole pathway so you know exactly how to get started. And whether or not you actually end up going with Traders4Traders or another educational firm, this is the pathway you need to become a successful trader. Okay. It includes foundation knowledge, get you analyzing the market just like the bankers, trading the technicals, then trading the macro fundamentals, and then applying those advanced institutional bank trading strategies. Now, there's one key to our program that links all of this together, and it's the live trading and coaching sessions. Now, let me give you an overview of the sequence I believe that you need to go through to start trading to give yourself the best possible chance of success. Okay, now, so step one, how do I get started trading? First and foremost, this is what most people overlook. You need to get your trade station set up correctly. Okay, what am I talking about? Well, there's a couple of components, but really it's the way you look at the markets and the number of monitors you need. Ideally, 3 monitors, and I use 27-inch screens. You can get them for 100 to 130 bucks each, but this will allow you to see the whole market, because when we are talking about getting your trade station set up, it's about getting access to Metastock. Now, you're going to get a 3-month subscription when you do purchase the accelerator program. You're going to be able to add your trading platform on there as well. So get that set up with the trade execution tools. You're going to be able to make good, sound trading decisions when you are set up like this. Now, if you've got one screen, whether that's a laptop or just a monitor, it's just not really adequate enough, because once you get your trading platform up, you'll only be able to see a portion of the market and you just can't see everything you need to. Now, 2 screens, sure. Okay, it's probably just adequate enough. You can see all your charts, you can get your trade platform up as well and see what the economic numbers are. That's what I would call an adequate setup. But once again, once you get a 3-screen layout, you will see the market differently and you'll be a lot more relaxed and comfortable. Now, if you are using a laptop, there are a number of tech tools out there now which can allow you to make your laptop a 3-screen layout. And there is one there from TropEye, TriScreen Pro. There's a whole range of different companies doing these now. You can simply overlay these 2 screens over your laptop and then turn your laptop into a 3-screen monitor. Well worth the investment. So your main trade station, it's important to be comfortable, in control, with all information readily available. It leads to better trading decisions. Now, I know a lot of traders I've spoken to over the years say, you know what, Brad, this is good. I'll make some cash first, and then I'll go and get it set up. Well, I'm telling you, that's the wrong way to do it. You get this set up, invest in yourself and in your trading. Okay, it's only a small outlay, and then you'll be able to make cash a lot easier, right? So don't do it the wrong way around. Spend some time getting your trade station set up. And this is the very first thing you need to do if you want to start trading. Now, step 2, how do I get started trading? You need to understand how to analyze the markets, and then you can start trading the technicals. Now, every good trading opportunity starts with a good technical setup. So it's very important you know how to draw your trend lines correctly so you can identify key resistance and support levels. These are the key levels where we want to be entering the market. And once you can analyze your charts, you can understand direction and the key technical levels, well, that's going to set you up to start trading. And once you get that correct, then you can come back and start to connect the dots. And what I'm talking about is looking at the various major currency pairs and seeing which instruments are going up, which instruments are going down. And that's getting us a step closer to connecting the economic calendar. But first and foremost, step 2, you've got to understand how to analyze the market technically. And that's when you can come back and assess the opportunity and start to look for trading opportunities. Trading the technicals, there's nothing to it. You're looking for key resistance or support levels. We're looking for shifts in momentum, either up or down. And that's where we're going to start making money initially. Now, step 3 of how do I get started trading? It's now time to join the live trading and coaching sessions. This will really help you start trading the technicals. So you'll get access to the event calendar with all the live trading and coaching sessions. Now, starting with the weekly kickoff, or whether it's a training session around components of the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass course, or the high impacting live trading and coaching sessions. You're going to get access to all of these. And this will really help you engage your knowledge from the course to trading the technicals. Now, there's an archive page where we have all of these events available to you. Now, you've got the weekly kickoff, the today's trading action, the training sessions, and then also the live trading sessions as well. And in these sessions, we will go through specifically exactly what is happening in the market. You'll be able to prepare yourself for the trading opportunity and then come back, watch us execute the trades. I'll show you exactly the order structure that we use, and then we can come back, see how the trades were executed. But once you know what you're doing, you can take a couple of $1,000s out of the market in a matter of 20 or 30 seconds. And that's what the live trading and coaching sessions are going to do. They're going to bridge the gap between the courses and you trading the live markets. It's a big step and one that I look forward to you guys getting into. Now, step 4 of how do I get started trading? It's time to connect with our trading community. And that's on our Trader Discord. Okay, you're going to get access to a huge amount of resources here. But most importantly, you're going to be able to connect with like-minded traders. You can get your questions answered, share trade ideas, and then learn from other experienced traders in our trading community. If you have any questions around the Financial Markets Trading Masterclass, well, you can get those questions answered promptly. If you've got any tech support issues, our team will be ready to help you and get you set up and back in the groove, ready to start trading once again. Now, our Trader Discord will be a huge asset to your overall trading and trading performance. You can upskill your knowledge here and connect with traders from across the globe. If you miss something in the market, simply ask the community and you'll get an answer. If you're not sure about specific trading opportunities on specific instruments, whether it's Forex, equities, commodities, or cryptos, ask the question and you will get the answer. This is going to be your connection to Traders4Traders and the community and the market. Now you know how to get started trading. It's time to take your trading to the next level. And this is step 5, learning how to analyze and trade the macro fundamental releases. This will definitely supercharge your trading and provide you with a whole range of new trading opportunities. You connect the macro fundamentals to a key technical level, and if we get the numbers to fall our way, then we make money very easily. Okay, it's going to be very easy for you to isolate which instruments to trade around the various economic numbers, understand the actual versus the pole, the minimum and maximum range, and now you're starting to learn how to trade like the institutional bankers. These trading opportunities come up every day. Now, not all of them are trading opportunities, but we'll show you specifically which ones are and how to take advantage of those opportunities themselves. This is advanced trading, so when you're ready to upskill yourself and then expand your trading horizon for more trading opportunities, that's when we get into step 5. And then last of all, to take your trading to that next level, step 6, you're going to learn how to apply the advanced institutional bank trading strategies. Once you've been through that section of the course, you'll very easily be able to identify a risk-on, risk-off sentiment, how to trade the safe havens, how to trade the oil trade, the connection between the equity markets and the major currency pairs, and then really drill into what is driving the various instruments up and down. And from this point on, it's all about expanding your knowledge and your profile of the markets so you can take advantage of more trading opportunities. By this stage, you'll understand the connection between the equity markets, the currencies, the commodities, and the bonds. So you'll always know exactly what is driving the market. You'll be able to isolate the best trading opportunities around the technical frameworks. And once you understand the technicals and the fundamentals and the advanced trading strategies, you're on your way to a successful trading career. And the best news for you is we've mapped it all out. As soon as you sign up for the Accelerator program, you're going to get access to all the content to take you through each of these steps. You'll be able to log into your profile and access the courses immediately. You can go through the introductory courses, and then get into the financial markets trading masterclass. And then we'll connect you to our trader Discord so you can connect with our trading community. And you know what? You're on your way to start trading the markets, and most importantly, start making some money. Good luck and happy trading.